Hi, I am too excited to introduce you with Design Like Pro. Design Like Pro will change the way designs are created by billions of users for everyday use, for your websites, for your blog posts. It is literally completely drag and drop design maker plugin for WordPress which comes with thousands of designs. So let me show you how easy it is to edit any of the design and update it. So all you have to do is click edit post. Once you are in the editor, just select the image and click edit image with Design Like Pro. The image would get loaded into the editor. Let me just zoom it out. So let's make few quick changes in the design. Let me change the date. Let's say it's 20th May. Let me move it here and let's delete this text and add some cool badge or some banner kind of a thing. Let's choose this one. Let me just make it a bit large, put it here, and let's change the text to Design Like Pro. Let's delete this and let's find some laptop and rotate it a bit, and let's move it here and move it up. Right, so let's also add a button. Let's say I want to add this book now. So now I would click just save and insert, and you can see the image is updated. So let me just click update and take you to preview. So let me just show it. So you can see in seconds I have updated the design. Similarly, all the designs, whatever I want, these are just editable. You can just go ahead and change whatever you want and redesign it the way you want. Design Like Pro comes with a variety of templates. You can see we have templates for WordPress, and these are subcategories. Then social media, you have Facebook post, Pinterest, Twitter post, Google post, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, Twitter header. You can have different ads, image and sizes. You can see you can design for AdWords, you can design for Facebook, you can design for Twitter. Then we have different template categories for website headers, and then we also have infographics and graphic certificates. For example, you want to create an ad, so let's say you want to create this 300 by 255. So just click it and you will find that there are loads of templates which are available in the application. You can just go ahead, choose any of the templates, give it a name, and you can design it to your liking. You can add text, different types of text, as you can see here. You can add different types of shapes. You can have these badges. You can have banners, and then you can add any image. For example, you want to add image of shoes, so you just write down shoes, and image library would pull up shoes. So similarly, if you want to change the background, you can choose the color. You can again write down any keyword and different images would pull up which are related to makeup. Again, if you have chosen a template, so you're not satisfied with it, you just click the theme, choose from thousands of themes which we have pre-installed in the application. Again, updating anything is very easy. You just click it, you can move the things around, you can rotate them, you can change the font, you can change the way they look like. You can have this text effect of gradient, shadows, and there are a whole lot of options. Then once you create a design, you can optimize it for any other size. Okay, that's again cool. So for example, I am satisfied with this design, so all I have to do is that click this save and insert, and you will see the design would get edited into the post immediately. So you can see how easy it is. Within seconds you can create your design. The good thing is that you can create the designs from the scratch, or you can make use of the templates. Okay, now let me show you how you can use the designs on your website. So for example, this is one of the websites where we had created this image and we had inserted it using Visual Composer. So if you want to edit the design on any of the pages, so just click the design and click this, the design would get loaded into the editor. Let me just zoom it out a bit. So let's say you want to change the offer, so let me make it to 50%. Then let me go ahead and add some. Okay, let's add this so that it looks okay. This is moved back, and let me just move it here, and then let's change the date to 2019. Okay, and that's it. So you can see the images updated. So similarly, if you want to add a new image, just click this plus button, then choose this Design Like Pro, then go here, then choose the theme which you want to choose. Okay, let's say I want to choose this theme. Click let's go. So make the design changes. If you're not satisfied, whatever you want to do, if you're not satisfied, you can change the theme from here as well. So but if you are satisfied your design, so just click save and insert, and you would see the design would get edited. So here you go, you can see in matter of seconds I have added these designs on the website, and let me show you how they look like on the original website. So you can see these are the two designs which were created using Design Like Pro. So literally this application would make your designs editable, just like you have editable content on your website, like a blog post or any other text. So start designing using Design Like Pro. Use this application. It will save you, I would say it would save you hundreds and thousands of dollars.